Hi guys, I want to show you the new LinkrSyncr. Yeah, I know, I made up the name. It's dumb, but that's okay. So here is the pink reading journal, and it has all the links, okay? So what I did is I just went into my Keynote template and I just changed it all to purple and exported it as a PDF. So now you'll see that my purple one has no links on any of the pages, no links anywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use LinkrSyncr. I'm going to hit extract links from PDF, and I'm just going to select the one that has the links, and it's going to ask me to create a JSON file. It does it for you. You don't have to worry about it. So, and I'm just going to call this digital reading. Okay, so that's saved. So now what I want to do is I want to apply those links to the new PDF. So I'm just going to click this button. It's going to ask me to select that JSON file that we just selected, and then it pops up a new box, and then you click the PDF that you want to add the links to. And then it pops up a new box and it asks you where you want to save the new PDF. So I'm going to name it Purple Linked. And it's done. So now my purple linked file has all the links. So imagine how many versions of that I can create and list in a day.